Hello, we are PIA Automation Croatia and a part of the PIA Group. With more than 50 years of experience, PIA Automation offers technically complex automated solutions. As a global player, we generate new innovative ideas and implement all-around solutions for our customers. As a Tier 1 supplier to the world's top car manufacturers, we are the driving force behind the components that power the finest vehicles on the road. Our technology and expertise fuel the performance, safety and innovation that define today's automotive industry. At PIA, every product we design is engineered for excellence, from cutting-edge battery systems, industrial 4.0 technologies to the advanced industrial components. Our solutions are crafted with precision, passion, and uncompromising commitment to the quality.